What comes in your mind whenever you think about the word mortgage? Most of you will agree with me that owning a house here in Kenya in 2024 is a very significant achievement. However, it comes with its own expenses, and actually a lot of challenges may occur wherever you want to build or wherever you want to own a building. Most welcome to the channel. In case this is your first time here, my name is Top, and this is Top Vlogs, where we get to talk about loans, we get to talk about best people who can help you while you want to start businesses with small business loans. We also talk about real estate, and we tackle anything that revolves finance. In today's topic, we're going to talk about best private money lenders in Kenya who will help you when you want to build from zero amount. Most of us have dreams of owning a house, or not even most of us, everyone has a dream to own a house one day. Or even if it's not a house, you want to maybe one day you want to grow and build your own real estate, build buildings that you can rent out and make money. Make sure that you're listening to this video until the end so that you may learn new things here on my channel. And whenever you subscribe to this channel, make sure that you're turning on the notification bell. I'm so happy to have you here. In today's topic, we are going to learn so many things, and we will cover 4 parts. In case this is your first time here and you see me looking down, I always have a friend with me, my diary, where I'll research and write anything before I talk. I sit and talk to you guys. We know that loan matters are very sensitive, and so many of you guys will want to go and try, and that's why I always do my research so well before I sit and talk to anyone. So feel free to see me looking down and be confident that I'm reading yes. It's simply because I've written the points that I want to share with you. So in today's topic, we're going to cover 4 things, and which is what is a mortgage. I will want you to familiarize yourself with the name mortgage first. We will also talk about what is needed to get the mortgage, where to find affordable mortgage, and the top mortgage providers in Kenya. Please, I'll urge you to listen to this video until the end. I'll urge you again, and this is simply because most of you will hear of the name and you'll rush and want to just take the loan direct. Please always listen to the points, because you may end up missing on those important points that might help you in one way or another. So we will start by defining what a mortgage is. And a mortgage is a loan offered by banks and financial institutions or other private lenders to a home buyer. It's as simple as that. It's just a loan offered by banks and financial institutions or private lenders to a home buyer. So if you're out there, you want to own a home one day, we will not only talk about these small loans apps, USSD codes loans, and small private lenders who give you out loans. One day you'll need bigger loans, and that's why I'm here to save your day. Okay, so the property is usually when you maybe the bank build the house for you from zero, so the property will be used as security for the loan that you have taken. It's as simple as that. They'll not require you to have a lot of things, but the most requirement that the bank will need, or the institutions that give you the mortgage loan, is that they'll need you to pay a 20% deposit in order for them to start rebuilding for you. So let's say, for example, you have some cash somewhere, you want to build an apartment. You'll just need to visit one of the banks that I'll mention before we end the video, or one of the private lenders or the institutions that give out loans. You'll just visit them with a 20% money or the loan that you want to take, and guess guess what, they're going to build or help you build your house or your rentals from scratch to up there. Okay, and then there is a way they'll divide. I'll speak about everything as we discuss about the loans. So most lenders will require you to pay a down payment of 20% in order for you to start. So the mortgages are usually divided into two, and one part is equity, which is that what you own, and the other part is debt, what the bank owns. So let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, in the building that you live in, if you are in a rental, so there is a way that the bank, after they have helped you build that house, one part or some of the houses, they'll have to count the houses that are built, and half of it, anytime a tenant pays, half of the money will always go to the bank and the other money will remain in your account. So you'll have one account, and whenever some cash goes in paid by the tenants, there is amount that the bank is going to deduct from that money. And that's how mortgage is usually done. So if you're out there and you're afraid, maybe you have been wanting to build a house, you've been wanting to build rentals, please visit any of them branches that I'll speak about today, and feel free to ask them about how they go about it. So what I know is that you'll just need to have a 20% of the loan amount that will be required to build the whole building, or if it's your own house, you want to build a house and start repaying the loan slowly as you work towards the end of repaying the loan and own that building. You can't call it yours until it's finished, because remember, the building is used also as a collateral to the bank. Okay, so there are different types of mortgages, which are two, and there is floating rate mortgage, which is this is the kind that fluctuates depending on market rates, and there is fixed rate mortgage. It has a constant rate throughout the loan term. Okay. So those are the two types of mortgage in Kenya. So there are some types of loans you might be offered. Is on occupied residential mortgage. So if you want to own your own house, as I said, you can always get a mortgage loan from the institution I'll talk about at the end of the video. The number two type of loans that you might be offered is the investment residential mortgage. So if you want to invest in an apartment, if you want to build an apartment, and maybe you want to be earning, or anything you want to build, as long as it's under investment, the bank will help you, or the private money lenders or the financial institutions will help you build one. The other type of mortgage that you might get is construction loan for building from group up. Okay, so let's say, for example, you have a group of people, or you are in a group of people who wants maybe to help each other build apartment, real estate, and all that. So they also offer such loans, and they can help you from scratch up to the point that you want, and you'll always repay these loans simply because anything that you're constructing with their loan or with the amount of money that they have given you will be used as security in future. So if you end up not repaying these loans, just be sure that they're going to, is it repossessing, or they're just going to take the house that they have built, and simply because it was used as security. So they're not going to check your CRB status and all that. All they'll need is that 20% down payment, and they'll start doing everything for you. If you do not repay, then the building that you have already built is going to go back to the bank. Okay, so the number 4 type of loan you might get is equity loan using accrued equity for extra funds. That one, I do not know how much to explain about it. Maybe you can go and do more research about it. Before I start giving you where you can get these loans here in Kenya and the percentage they are offering, guys, please, if you have been watching me until now and you haven't subscribed to this channel, mind you guys, it's around 1 at night, and I decided because tomorrow I have a shoot somewhere, I'm going to do this video so that when I'm going to sleep, at least in the morning, I'll just wake up and post this video. So give this girl a thumbs up. You can like this video, it will always help me out, because because YouTube will always recommend it out there. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because from today I'll be giving you videos every day. Okay, so make sure that you're supporting this girl by subscribing to the channel and become a member by turning on the notification bell. The reason is that anytime I'll do a video, YouTube will always notify you that this girl has done a new video. So top mortgage providers in Kenya are as follows. Number one is Housing Finance Group. These are the best actually, and they offer a loan of 12.2%. Up to 12.2%. There is Standard Chartered Bank, which offers 12.5%. There is Citibank Kenya, which offers 12.2%. Then there is Commercial Bank of Kenya, which offers 13.3%. Then there is Consolidated Bank, which offers 15.4%. Cooperative Bank that offers 15.1%. CFC Stanbic Bank offers 14.4% of the funds. NIC Bank, which is now NCBA, offers 14.1%, and lastly Barclays Bank that offers 14.9%. Okay, so these are the trusted institutions that can provide you with the mortgage loan without them checking so many details, because all they'll need is the 20% that I've been talking about. They'll require you to pay the down payment of 20% in order for you to start. So if you're out there, if you're outside the country, you want to start building a mortgage somewhere, or you want to start to build maybe apartments, you can always check on their website, contact them, and get to visit any of their branches wherever you are, and they'll explain to you in depth what you're supposed to be doing. So I'm really hoping that has really helped you. If you did not know anything about mortgage, I'm really hoping that the video has been of help to you. And until my next video, let me see you on another one. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Ciao.